Welcome to What's What. Every day a new video. That's what we have in store for you. So don't forget to click on subscribe and the notification bell on. Faking meat and meatless burgers. What will decide the future of plant and cell-based meat? According to us, few partnerships will decide the future of plant and cell-based meat. Well, how? Take a look. If you've ever eaten a hamburger or a chicken nugget in the United States, that cow or chicken was most likely to have been slaughtered at a Tyson Foods processing plant, the world's second largest processor and seller of beef, chicken, and pork. But this February, the company announced it was launching its own plant-based meat products line and investing large amounts of money into the lab-grown and cell-based meat startups. Cargill, another major meat producer, was also among the investors into cell-based meat startups. So, what are meat giants like Tyson and Cargill doing investing in industries that would be their biggest competition? Probably they're ready to accept the world of fake meat, the age of more humane and meatless burgers. More than 50 billion animals are raised and killed for meat worldwide every year, almost all of them on factory farms. Farming is responsible for approximately 8% of the greenhouse emissions of each country, other than the significant environmental consequences that includes hazardous animal waste, destruction of wildlife habitats, and antibiotic resistance. There is no way people are reducing their meat consumption. But what if they get to eat the meat that smells, tastes, and looks exactly like meat, but actually is all made from plants and cells? An alternative to industrial farming is the advent of plant-based and cell-based meat. The first two major players that came in the plant-based industry were Impossible Meat and Beyond Meat. Plant-based meat and dairy products like veggie burgers, fake chicken, and soy and almond milk are growing in popularity and in market share. Meanwhile, cell-based meat, grown from animal cells in a lab, is still probably years from availability in stores. But it's growing too, with cell-based meat startups Memphis Meats and Future Meat Technologies Limited investing into them. But how do these companies achieve the same sense of meat? How is plant-based meat made? It is the protein myoglobin, which contains a substance called HEME. That's the taste of iron, which comes when the meat is cooked. That gives the smell and flavor that makes the meat so compelling. At Impossible Foods, in order to make the Impossible Burger, yeast is engineered to produce high quantities of HEME, which is first extracted from the roots of soy plant and then multiplied in a machine. The Beyond's Meat Burger, on the other hand, includes peas, mung beans, rice, and potato for starch, beet for color, and coconut oil for juiciness. Today, these companies sell meat to a large number of food retailers and restaurant and burger chains. But the major challenge is to make it as cheap as a McDonald's hamburger, which this partnership might do. They have invaluable experience in supplying meat products at an immense large scale. Adding this experience to the technology at these startups, the future of plant and cell-based meat seems promising, with the latter not just seen as a competition, but the new vegan meat option people love. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to click and subscribe. We have lots more to tell you.